I'm going to identify the part and function of Suzuki Multicab. First, we are identifying the outer of Suzuki Multicab. First, we have the hood and its function to cover and protect the engine. The second is windshield and its function to protect the passenger and provide visibility. The third, this is a roof and its function to protect the passenger and from the sun and rain. This is the tire and its function of this tire to allow the car to move and grip the road. This is a door and its function of this door to allow the people to enter the exit the car. This is the battery and its function in this battery to start the car and power electronics. This is the side mirror and its function, the side mirror help the driver see the side of the car. This is the steering wheel and its function of this steering wheel to turns the car whether the left or right. This is the clutch pedal and its function of this clutch pedal to help change gear. This is the seat belt and its function of this seat belt to keep passenger safe in crashes. This is the gear shift and its function of the gear shift to change gear. This is the brake pedal and its function of this brake pedal to slow or stop the car. This is the handbrake or parking brake and its function of this handbrake or parking brake to keep the car from moving when parked. This is the rear view mirror and its function of this rear view mirror to let driver see behind the car.